What if I enter the wrong bank account info on TaxAct? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video, I'm going to talk about what happens if you enter the wrong bank account info on your TaxAct. So if you have entered the wrong bank account information while using the TaxAct to file your taxes for the tax year 2024, you should take immediate steps to correct the error to prevent any issues with receiving your refund or processing your payment, and here's what you can do. If you realize a mistake before the IRS sends the refund or before a payment is processed, contact your bank as soon as possible to see if they can help. They may be able to stop the transaction or provide guidance on what steps you need to take next. If you enter the wrong bank account information for a refund, you should also contact the IRS to inform them of the error and provide them with the correct information. You can call the IRS at 1-800-829-1040 to speak with the representative who can assist you. And if you also enter the wrong bank account information for a payment to the IRS, you should contact the IRS as soon as possible to inform them of the error and provide them with the correct information. If you need to update the bank account information you provided through the TaxAct, log into your TaxAct account and see if there is an option to update or correct the bank account information. Follow the provided instructions to make the necessary changes. If the IRS has already processed the refund or the payment with the incorrect bank account information, there may be a delay in receiving your refund or processing your payment while the error is corrected. Be patient and monitor the situation closely. It's really crucial to act quickly to rectify the mistake, especially if the refund or the payment has not been yet processed. Providing correct information promptly can help prevent delays and ensure that your refund is deposited into the correct account or that your payment is processed accurately. If you have any doubts or questions, consider seeking assistance from a tax professional or the advisor who can help you navigate the process effectively. So this is basically on what if you enter the wrong bank account info on TaxAct. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.